This is a photo that I created using a photo of mine, but completely creating this woman with AI, with an AI prompt. That woman was not in the original photo. Here is the original photo. It's just me. And what I have done is use AI to add this woman into the picture. In this video, I'm going to show you quickly how I did it. What app did I use? ChatGPT. ChatGPT is free. At least everyone can access the free version. So install it on your Android phone or your iPhone. Open it. Now you upload a picture of yours. How do you do that? Here is the plus sign. Go into your photos, pick a picture. In this case, this. Done. And then you are going to type a prompt. I'm going to show you an example of the kind of prompt to type. So what prompt did I use to create this? I said, add a Nigerian woman of about 40 years of age with long braided hair falling to her shoulders, dressed in an elegant white gown. Behind the subject, her hands resting on his shoulders, a warm smile on her face suggesting a romantic companion. Her nails are natural and short. She has no makeup on. Your prompt has to be very specific. If you want a Caucasian woman, spell it out. If you want an Asian woman, if you want a Japanese woman, spell it out. Spell out her hairstyle. Spell out what type of makeup you want her to have on. Spell out the type of dress, her nails. Spell out whatever you want. If you want her pecking him on the cheek, spell it out. If you want her arms wrapped around his waist, spell it out. But here was the prompt I used. It's a short one, but it's quite detailed enough. And image created. Here we are. It's an excellent job. This looks so real, looks so natural. So you can add anything to your photo. You can add a house to the background. You can pretty much project yourself driving a car. Do whatever you really want with your images. Spice it up however you want. This is the age of AI. The magic is in having a prompt that is specific, that is sharp, that the AI chatbot can work with. That's really the magic in all of it. The more imaginative and descriptive you are with your prompts, the better the results you will get. I hope that you have found this short video helpful. Feel free to share the results that you get when you try this out in the comment section below. Tell me how it went. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like it, do share it. I look forward to seeing you when next I release another one.